So to start building the frame for my instrument, first what I'm going to do, I'm going to measure, it's about 1 3/4 inches, the width of this wood. I'm going to measure that far from the end. I'm going to take the pencil, mark it right here, mark it, take it off. Then with 2 holes, you're going to mark where the 2 holes are. We're going to drill through, we're going to pre-drill holes for it, for 2 screws to come through. Then we're going to do the same thing for the other side. So for the next step, we're going to be fastening the 2 of the boards together. So I've already started 2 screws here, and I'm going to drill down to make the first corner. First screw, and second screw. And that's how you make the first corner. We're going to do that 2 more times or 3 more times to make the remaining corners. We're going to be starting the can portion of the build. So the first things first, we're going to drill through the can. So to start off, you're going to find the center. Put a little mark. You're going to place your screwdriver there. Just tap it a little bit, give it a little start. Then just nice and easy. Right through. And now we're going to repeat that for the next can. Once again, mark it. In the middle, little tap. And right through. So we're going to repeat that 8 times for all the different sizes of cans. And then we're going to move on to the next step. So for this step of the process, we're going to be stringing the string through the can. So on the end of the string, I have a knot tied, and I'm going to put it through the can that I have the hole in. So what we're going to string it through the can, pull it through. The knot stops it from pulling through, and we're going to do this 7 more times for a total of 8 cans. I'm going to be measuring the middle distance where I'm going to drill through the board to string the string through. And now I'm gonna continue on with drilling through the holes. Okay, so for the final step, what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be stringing the can with the string through the holes that we drill, and we're gonna be using an eyelet as a string tensioner. So what we're doing, we're gonna screw it in just a few turns. Now we're gonna take our can with our string, gonna feed the string through the hole we drilled, down, all the way through. Let the can rest on the top. Here, put the string through, pull it fairly tight to here, so it's fairly tight. Even a little tighter is okay. Then we're gonna string it through. Once, twice, 3 times, as much as it takes to get a good solid hold on it. There we go, one more. Then we're going to tie a knot. Tie a knot. And then that's it. That's all we have to do. That's the last step we have to do for building the instrument. We're going to do this a few more times, have all the cans up sitting on top, and then we're going to be ready to play. For the physics behind my instrument, I have lined up cans of varying sizes, from large on this end to small on this end. And what we do, we pluck a string, and when we pluck the string vibrates, and the vibration is amplified using one of the cans here as a resonator to amplify the sound and make it easier to hear and expand more. The higher the frequency of the waves, the higher the pitch. And generally speaking, the smaller the can, the higher the frequency. The larger the can, the lower the frequency. As the wave propagates through the medium, it gradually changes and it slowly dissipates. The greater the tension on the string, the higher the pitch and the higher the frequency, because the looser the string is, the less tension that's put on the string. The more room the string has to move, so the lower the wave frequency and wavelength. This is me playing my 8-note octave. This is me playing a shortened version of O Canada on my instrument.